Today at the Calgary Zoo, we are going to see one of the most beautiful and mysterious birds in the world, the snowy owl. With its white bright feathers and piercing yellow eyes, this incredible bird is perfectly designed for the life in the Arctic. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. What is a snowy owl? As you can see, the snowy owls look very different from most of other owls. Its thick white feathers help it blend perfectly into snowy Arctic landscape, making it difficult for predator and prey to spot. The snowy owl mainly lives in the Arctic regions of North America and Eurasia, where temperatures can become extremely cold during winter. Another fascinating fact about the snowy owl is that its feathers even cover parts of its legs and feet, helping protect it from extreme Arctic cold. Unlike many owl species that prefer dark forests, snowy owls usually live in open snowy areas where they can easily observe their surroundings. Number 2. The silent hunter. Even though the snowy owl looks calm and peaceful, it is a highly skilled predator. Its powerful eyesight allows it to detect movement from very far away, even across large snowy fields. The snowy owl mainly hunts small mammals like lemmings and rodents, using its sharp talent to catch prey quickly and silently. One fascinating fact about this snowy owl is how quietly it flies. Its special feather structure helps reduce sound while flying, allowing it to sneak up on a prey almost silently. Snowy owls are also one of the heaviest owl species in the North America, making them powerful aerial hunters. Number 3. Unique features and behavior. One of the most striking features of the snowy owl is its bright yellow eyes. These eyes are specially adapted for spotting movement in harsh Arctic conditions. The male snowy owl is usually whiter, while female often have darker marking on their feathers. One surprising fact is the snowy owl can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, allowing them to observe almost everything around them without moving their body. During certain years, when food becomes scarce in Arctic, snowy owls sometimes travel much farther south than usual in search of prey. Snowy owls are also known of their patience. Sometimes they can sit completely still for long periods while carefully observing their surroundings. And despite their calm appearance, these beautiful birds are perfectly adapted for surviving some of the harshest weather conditions on Earth. Number 4. Calm moment. Just look at how majestic this bird appears. The snowy owl doesn't need bright colors or loud sound to stand out. The quiet presence alone makes it one of the most fascinating birds in the animal kingdom. Because of its striking appearance, many people also recognize the snowy owl as the inspiration behind Hedwig from the Harry Potter films. Ending. Seeing this incredible snowy owl up close at the Calgary Zoo was truly an unforgettable experience. I hope you enjoyed learning about this beautiful Arctic hunter with me today. If you want to see more wildlife videos, zoo tours and nature adventures, make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in next journey.